Hi, I'm John David Ramirez, and I'm here in J Lounge, and I'm with
Russell.
Sir Russell. Mag-proceed na lang po ako sa question. Okay. Are you well educated in the health and safety procedures for the food and beverages?
Sa beverages, yes. Pero sa food, di masyado. Kasi ito kasi yung hawak ko bar talaga bar sa bartender talaga Kaya, yun.
Next question po is, how do you manage the drink order from numerous customer po?
Yan pag maraming Ayun, pag marami, wag ka lang sabay-sabay naman yan Kaya lalo na pag cocktail, pag maraming order, yung mga ganyan. Mahirap talaga pag marami na siya. Pero pag naman, pag sa mga towers namin, pinagsasabay-sabay ko naman. Nilaramihan ko siya ng timpla. Nahati ko para mas mabilis siyang sa customer.
So sir, mas mabilis ng mga towers kesa sa mga per glass, no?
Ang cocktail kasi, yung mga international cocktail kasi may sukat talaga Kaya dapat di ka sumobra or Sa towers namin kasi lang naman yan mga halo. Okay lang yan kahit may sobra, okay lang. Wala namang problema doon.
Last question sa akin, sir. What inspires you within your job?
Inspires me yun sa mga kasi mahilig din naman ako uminom kaya gusto ko rin i-try talaga kahit wala akong experience sa mga ganito. Gusto ko rin i-try kasi uminom talaga ako. Ayun, gusto ko ng gano'n.
So sir, dahil lang mahilig din kayo talaga uminom, nakarating din kayo dito.
So i-try. Ayun, okay naman. Okay naman.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you.
Hi Sir Russell, my name is Milen Rodriguez from Perpetual. Good evening. These are my question. First is, in terms of being a bartender, what is the best way to avoid getting drunk too fast?
Siguro magdahan-dahan lang sa pag-inom, tsaka mamulutan ka, kumain ka, tsaka kumain ka bago uminom para hindi ka agad malasing.
Thank you. And my second question is, there are any drinks that are overrated or underrated? Something like, yung pinaka mas sobrang nakakalasing ba? Or meron bang...
I think wala naman. Kasi lahat naman yan alak, lahat naman yan nakakalasing.
Like, even mocktails?
Yes. Okay. Ang press lang naman yan, alak.
Okay.
Malalasing at malalasing talaga.
Okay, third one is, what are some of your favorite bar tricks and why?
Actually, wala. Wala talaga akong bar tricks. Kasi kahit yung di kami pinapabar kasi mababa kasi yung ceiling na. Kaya wala talaga. Wala.
So that...
Di ko talaga ina-try kasi natawat pa ako.
Okay, so that's all, Sir Russell. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Hi Sir Russell, my name is Sheena Ochaba from Perpetual Las Piñas. So here's my question for you. Is there an instances when you've resolved a problematic circumstances with a client in a favorable way?
Siyempre, kausapin ko na lang yung client kung may problema siya kung hindi niya nagustuhan yung drinks niya. Pwede mas kausapin ng maayos na walang pisikalan na yung kausapin ko lang na maayos na papalitan ko na lang kung hindi niya gusto yung tinimpla ko, ayusin ko na lang.
Next is, what do you enjoy most about working in a bar?
Yung talaga, yung pagtimpla talaga ng mga alak. Yan talaga yung masaya.
Bakit kapag nasa-satisfy?
Oo, yung pag gusto ng customer ng masarap yung timpla. Yun yung masaya, yun yung nagpaano sa akin.
So next is, what bartending education or experience do you possess?
Sorry, wala talaga. Wala talaga ako experience or education saan talaga. Tinry ko lang talaga, may nagpasok lang talaga sa akin, tapos tinuruan lang ako. Ayun lang.
Pwede po ba namin malaman kung sino po yung nagturo sa inyo na magtimpla?
Turo sa akin si Raymond, yung partner ko dyan sa bar. At yun, si Raymond Petri, yung nagturo sa akin. magtimpla.
That's all po. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Highness Rio Florido from HM Student and Perpetual. So my first question is, what is a good instance of upselling to clients?
Ayun, kausapin mo lang, lalo na pag nasa bar area sila, kausapin lang, kaibiganin mo yung mga customer, lahat ng customer, para, share nila yan kung ano, lalo na yung food, sa mga alak, i-share nila yan, iikot yan, hanggat, ayun, pag tumaas na yung, ayun.
So my second question is, do you have any advice for students looking to hone their bartending skills?
Yung advice ko lang is, makinig lang kayo sa mga tuturo sa inyo, titignan nyo yung mga ginagawa nung talaga, yung marunong talaga. Ayun, makinig lang talaga kayo, madali lang naman siya. Madali lang siya matutunan pa. Yun, madali lang talaga.
My last question is, how will you characterize the clients?
At depende kasi, depende sa age. Yung mga binibili, kanyari kayo, parang unang kita ko, kayo, parang kayong tower, tower kayo Kasi mga, tito, tita, mga ganyan, cocktail, mga international, tapos yung may matatanda, mga black label, yung on the rocks sila sila mahilig sila pag mag on the rocks
Mas gusto nila ng
pag yung, depende sa age
depende sa panlasa rin.
Depende sa panlasa. Kung saan ka nakasanayan, beer, hard, cocktails, yan, mga ganan.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Good evening, Sir Russell. My name is Ayon J. Salva from BF Resort Las Piñas. Ito po yung mga question kasi. If someone wants to learn more about mixology, can you suggest any books, websites, or other resources?
Kasi ako, nanonood lang ako sa mga YouTube, lalo na sa TikTok. Marami talagang marami kang matututunan sa TikTok ng mga mix. TikTok talaga yung pinaka, sa akin ewan ko na sa ibang bar tayo. Ako, TikTok.
Kumbaga social media po.
Social media talaga. Yun na kasi ngayon talaga Hindi na kasi uso yung mga libro-libro, di ba? Ayan. Google na lang Google, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, andun na lahat Ayan.
Next question po. How do you strike a balance between the demands of accuracy and speed on a busy night at the bar?
Ayun, pag busy yung bar, kailangan wag ka lang talaga mataranta pag maraming tao Kahit maraming tao, kailangan namin tikman yung ginagawa namin kung tama pa rin yung timpla. Para kahit marami ng ganun pa rin kahit marami pa rin ganun pa rin yung lasa ng timpla namin.
Number 3. How do you deal with challenging or drunken clients while being professional?
Yung mga lasing, lang naman yan kasi yung paglasing tapos sinasabayan ko lang naman. Pero ayun, sinasabayan ko lang siya kung ano yung trip niya. Ganun, pero ayun lang, sinasabayan ko lang yung mga
Thank you po.
As we conducted an interview at J Lounge, there are a lot of things that I've learned. One of them is bar etiquette, understanding the unstated standard of the bar businesses, such as how to treat senior bartenders with respect, handle tips, and act professionally. I've also learned about how to handle problems properly, including serving to many clients, interacting with challenging customers, and settling conflicts as you work in a bar. You also need to keep the bar area clean and follow the proper hygiene protocols to ensure the safety of both customers and staff.
This is Milen Rodriguez, and this is my reflection when we interviewed the bartender at J Lunch Las Piñas. What I've learned is that if you have a passion on doing something like mixing and bartending, all you have to do is keep learning and learning. Always find a way to achieve. Being a bartender is something that you have to be passionate about. The bond between clients and customers is important. While working, you'll get to enjoy it at the same time. Interviewing Mr. Russell gave me a lot of knowledge and empowered me to pursue bartending. It is also very helpful that our professor, Mr. Aguirre, gave us the opportunity to meet and interview a real bartender so that we earn a lot of knowledge and encouragement.
Hi, my name is Sheena Chava, and my reflection about the interview is I learned that you should more have skills and you are knowledgeable about the tools and equipment that you will use inside the bar, and also you should be familiarized with the drinks that the customer will be satisfied so that they will order more or they can refer your bar to the other people because they already know what's the taste and how do you do the order drinks. And also I learned that if you really want to learn, you should practice more or join in the training so that every day you are excelling. Thank you.
I'm Kami Highness Ria Florido, and this is my reaction video when we interview the bartender in J Lodge. When I opened the door of the bar, I'm really happy because the manager and bartender is greeting us. And when I see the whole bar, I was very happy because it's clean and I felt relaxing to chill in the midnight. And when I see all the equipment and tools for bartending, I remember some of the names of the equipment that Sir Wendell discussed. And when I order, I asked the bartender what is the best seller, and he said the mojito. And he tell us the ingredients of that. And when he mixed it, I really interesting to watch it, and I really imagine myself I am the bartender and mixing different alcohol to the customer in the front of me. And it was good experience to interview the talented bartender in J Lodge. It was privilege to listen to her experience, and also he gave us tips how we manage the order and also the customers. He tell that you need to be friendly on your customers and give your best. And when he gave tricks how to mix the alcohol, he tell us that serving alcohol in customer is not easy, but if you give your 100% effort, you will produce the taste that you never forget, and your customer always come back in your bar. Thank you.
My name is Aaron J. Salva, and this is my reflection about our project. This project helped me see the real life application of all our discussions. It inspired me to pursue the same path and answer the questions we need to know. And it gave us bigger perspective about bartending. Sir Russell gave us tips and tricks in real life situation when you're at the bar. He taught us how to handle difficult situations that usually happen at the bar. As an HM student, this kind of activities has a huge impact on me, and it gives a glimpse of my future career.